So what you see here is a car that has got buried here in snow. So you gotta see this, all this. Yeah, man. This is the worst snow I've ever seen in this country. Look here. All these cars are buried in snow. You see here, the park is just filled with snow. Here, the cars, they're buried in snow. It's gonna take days to get it off. So you see all these are cars here. Parking lot. Yeah. Got the bird in here. And there's snow, man. I can't believe it. Look at this. Look at this. And the cars here. Another cars. See there? All those are cars buried in the snow. Worst snow ever you can imagine. Here. You see that? I don't know. It's a golf car. So this. Let's watch that. That's crazy. All these cars are buried in the snow. Here you can see here with us tankers, SUV. It is SUV here. So it's crazy. You see others here. All this buried in the snow. So the only possible here is a streetcar. The only transport now is the streetcar. So all these cars are buried. So you got a streetcar here. It's going. Only transport now is a streetcar. Nothing. There is a streetcar that you see here.